For this county, what you want to do is click on the Overbids icon. And here's the website for Flagler County. In case status, what you want to do is choose active sold bidder and then search. You want to choose the drop down and do as many results as you can per page. And then click this checkbox to mark them all marked and click on Open Selected Cases. And then the first thing to do is to click on the Disbursement tab and see if there's any surplus. Obviously $3.09, you're not going to go after that. So up here, you want to click on the next one. Check the disbursements, none. That means it's all been claimed, or there wasn't any. Next. And here's a okay one, and you might want to go after that. So the next thing we want to know is, even though there's surplus remaining, has there been a claim put in? It just hasn't been paid yet. Because you don't want to bother with a surplus claim if somebody has already put in a claim. It just hasn't been processed yet. So I'm going to switch over to the Documents tab. And it looks like they always file these with the oldest date at the bottom, so going up are the newest ones. I'm going to look at these in a moment. This surplus letter is what the county mailed out, telling all the interested parties how much in surplus there is. And then these check requests are more than likely probably from the lien holders. I was going to say the government liens. So they requested, the city of Palm Coast requested $1,500. I'm just going to go back and look at these. $10 for that one and $25 for that one. So even when those are paid out, you'd still have a kind of decent amount of surplus. I'm not sure, a lot of people don't even want to work them if it's under 10,000, but that's up to you. And then you could just continue on and look at the next ones. Always check the disbursement amount, the disbursement tab first, so you know if it's even an amount you want to bother with. Florida Overbids gives you a link and video for each county showing how to retrieve the surplus records. There's also a link to each website you need for all 67 counties. We have helpful resources, client forms, surplus claim forms, plus we teach you the surplus claim process. You can join Florida Overbids by itself, or you can receive a free membership if you subscribe to our other website, Surplus Database. Surplus Database gives you a new set of surplus records every auction day in the Florida counties. Plus, you also receive a business website that you can customize and edit however you'd like. We do have training videos showing you how to do so. And you also receive an online database that is right on your website, and you can use it to organize your surplus records, and it helps you through the claim process by keeping track of the status that you set on each record. We also locate and download the property information reports from each of the counties and store them all in one online repository. This saves you a lot of time in trying to find all of these property reports yourself. You use these reports to see if there are any liens on the property that may take some of the surplus. And we do have videos and training to show you how to do the Lien-Research as well. If you choose the Pro subscription level on Surplus Database, we actually perform the Lien-Research for you, and we give you a claimant's report for every surplus record. If you want to work surplus records from other states, we can help you locate their claim forms, figure out what the claim process is, and gather the contact information for the county. We also have an Excel spreadsheet that serves as a template that you can put your surplus records on and be able to import those records from the other states into your online database that is on your business website. Here are some of the items you will find on the Resources tab. And this is an ongoing process where we constantly add new items that would be helpful to you to this tab. And lastly, we have a help desk on the website that is there 24/7, and we are ready for your questions.